children. So we are going to resume the task we were working on. That is, we were taking the miscellaneous exercise of the chapter 6. So up to 12th problem we have already done. 13 onwards we have to proceed. And these are the word problems. So what I will do, I will display that question and you will just pause and copy it down. I am taking the solution of the question. Question number 13 tells, there are 600 students, right? And out of those students, 150 students take T. I have taken this T symbol as the number of students taking T. And T means, T implies the students who are taking T. So number of students who are taking tea is 150 and C implies taking coffee. So number of students taking coffee is 225 and T intersection C, this is the set of the students who are taking tea. These are a set of students who are taking coffee. Intersection means these are the students who are taking tea and coffee both. So number of students taking tea and coffee both is 100. Right? So what we have to find, number of students, those who are neither taking tea nor taking coffee. T is number of students taking tea. T symbol में this is set. T dash means it is complementary of T, means those who are not taking tea. And C dash means those who are not taking coffee. Intersection means neither tea nor coffee, right? टी भी नहीं लेते हैं और कॉफी भी नहीं लेते हैं. And so this we have to find out. Those who are not taking either tea or coffee, right? अच्छा, इसके लिए हम क्या बोलेंगे? There are 600 students. So we will solve it by Venn diagram. There are two ways. So see, what does it imply? What is the meaning of this? That we will look at first. See, solution. We will solve it in two ways, by Venn diagram as well as mathematical expression. See, P dash intersection C dash is equal to T union C dash. That is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law tells T dash intersection C dash is equal to T union C dash. This we have already discussed. And this implies, this means U minus T union C. Universal set, if you subtract T union C dash is equal to this much. Therefore, N T dash intersection C dash is equal to N U minus T union C. This can be written as N U minus N T union C. Finally, we got this. So we want this, means we have to evaluate this quantity. Now, one thing we know, N T union C, that is equal to NT plus, that is NC minus N T intersection C. This we know, we have already discussed and derived. So therefore, what is NT? NT is known, that is 150, plus NC is known, that is 225, minus NT intersection C is 100. So that is equal to how much? That is 375 minus 100, that is equal to 75. Means N T union C is known and NU is known, so we can find this quantity. Therefore, N T dash intersection C dash is equal to NU. What is NU? That is 600 minus NT union C. NT union C is 275. That is equal to how much? 325. It means there are 325 students who are not taking either tea or coffee. In neither of these two they are taking. Therefore, number of students taking neither tea nor coffee is equal to 325. This is the answer. So this can be solved by Venn diagram also. See, we will make a Venn diagram. This is universal set. This is one set, those who are taking tea. This is the set of the students, those who are taking coffee. Common area, this tells taking both tea and coffee, that is T intersection C, right? So various areas we will look at, and here those students who are outside this, they are neither tea nor coffee. So first we will find total, this union of this. So how many are there in this area? That is 100. 100 are there in this area, and NU is 600. So total here 600 students are there. In T, NT is 150. So 100 are here in this area, only 50 are there. 100 plus 50 is total number of students taking T, means inside this circle 100 plus 50, that is 150. NC is 225. You see, NC, it is 225, 100 is already there, so 125 will come in this area, right? So in totality, if you look, number of students either tea or coffee, union of these two sets will be 50 plus 100 plus 125. So we can write N T union C is equal to 50 plus 100 plus 125. How much? It is 275, right? Total is 600 students. This area means neither tea nor coffee, right? This area tells neither tea nor coffee, because only those students, those who are taking at least either of these two, is within these two circles, right? And outside this, they are not taking neither coffee nor tea. Therefore, N T dash intersection C dash is equal to 600 minus 275, that is 325. Concept is clear with Venn diagram also. I have taken the number of students outside these two sets, that is 325. Now see, we will solve the 14th question. Question is, in a group of students, 100 students know Hindi, 50 know English and 25 know both. Each of the students know either Hindi or English. How many students are there in the group? You see, all the students, either they are knowing Hindi or English. Suppose H and E represent the set of students knowing Hindi and English respectively. When H denote, it is a set in which only those students are there who know Hindi, and E is the set, it is a set of those students who know only English. And NH, those who are knowing Hindi only, such number of students is 100. And those students who know English, how many are there? 50. And 25 know both. So NH intersection E is equal to how many? 25. We have to find how many total number of students. How many students are there in the group? Means we want NH union E. Total number of students, right? Means either Hindi or English. Those students, either they are knowing Hindi or English. It's mentioned either Hindi or English. So total number of students will be this. This you have to find out. So it is very simple. We know one thing, that NH union E is equal to NH plus NE minus NH intersection E. This is the formula I have derived. We have established this formula. So simply all these values are given, we can put in this and we can find the value of NH union E. Right? Therefore, NH दिया है यहाँ पर 100, NE दिया है 50 माइनस NH intersection E दिया है, this is 25. So we got 125. Therefore, NH union E is equal to 125. So total number of students is 125. This is the answer. Right? Now 15th question, it is a very good question. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that means total number of people, that is 60. Right? So we will go for solution. 20 people read newspaper H. Right? One newspaper is there, H. So number of people reading this newspaper is 25. Means NH is 25. Then 20 read newspaper T. Here NT is equal to how much? 26. 26 read newspaper I. Again NI is again 26. 9 read both H and I. So N H intersection I is equal to how much? 9. H intersection I means H and I. H and I. Wherever there is and, there is intersection. Wherever there is or, means there is union. So reading both H and I is 9. So number of people reading H and I, that is 9. 11 read both H and T. So we will write N H intersection T, that is equal to how much? 11. 8 read both T and I. Again N T intersection I, that is equal to how much? 8. 3 read all the 3 newspapers. So I will write N H intersection T intersection I, that is equal to 3. So whatever data is given, I have represented that symbolically. Right? Symbolically हमने जो टेक्सचुअल फॉर्म में दिया है उसको सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में लिख लिया अभी. अब क्या चाहिए? नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु रीड एटलीस्ट one of these 3 newspapers. At least one means either H or T or I. Means what is required? What is required? N, H, union T, union I. This is needed. First part. Right? So we will go for this. So we know one thing, that is N, H union T union I, that is equal to, this formula I have already established. If you see the previous videos, that is NH plus NT, NT plus NI, right, minus N H intersection T minus N H intersection I minus N T intersection I, T intersection I plus N H intersection T intersection I. This is the formula we know. And we want this, and this, all this data, it is known over here. Just put the values and then we will get the answer. See, NH is 25, NT is 26, plus NI is again 26, minus NH intersection T. NH intersection T, that is 11, right, minus NH intersection I, that is 9, minus plus N H intersection T intersection I is 3, plus 3. Now we will find the value of this, that is how much you see. 25 plus 26, that is 51, isn't it? 51 plus 26, that is 77. 77 plus 3, that is 80. And how much it is? This is 28, right? So that is 52. Means there are 52 people who are taking, who are reading at least one of the 3 newspapers, right? Therefore, number of people who are taking reading H or T union I, that is equal to 52, right? At least one newspaper. So number of first part is over. That is first part. Second part, the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Exactly one newspaper means what? That we will look at. It can be solved by Venn diagram also. So it can be understood this way. Second part, I will make this Venn diagram, and with this we will understand in better way. Suppose we say it is H, this is T, and this is I, right? This part tells the intersection of all the 3. So intersection of all the 3, how many are there? 3, right? Means this part, this area tells those people who are reading all the 3 newspapers. They will be kept in this area, right? This area, in this area, those people are there who are reading H and T, right? That is H intersection T. So H intersection T, how many are there? 11. H intersection T is 11. So 11, 3 is already taken. So here it will be 8, right? Now, this area is H intersection I. H intersection I is this area, isn't it? This area means intersection of H and I, and HI, that is 9. So 3 is already there, so it will be 6. And this area tells intersection of T and I. This is I, this is T, and this area tells T and intersection of T and I, and that is 8. So 3 is this, means in this area only 5. Okay. Now, this area tells this area. What does it imply? This area only H. Only H. So we will write this in this area NH minus this plus this plus this. Isn't it? First one, the number of people reading only H is equal to how much? So this is total number of people reading H. Some are reading T also, some are reading I also. So NH minus 6 plus 3 plus 8. 6 plus 3 plus 8. Then this area. This area means NH minus 6 plus 3 plus 8. So this is the area where this area tells the number of people reading only H. Only H. Right? So NH is 25 minus how much it is? 70. That is 8. So exactly only H they are reading is 8 number of people. B. The number of people reading only T, that is equal to NT. We will write NT minus this area we have to get 8 plus 3 plus 5, that is 8 plus 3 plus 5. NT is how much? 26. So 26 minus 16, that is equal to 10. So 10 people they are reading exactly T newspaper. C. Number of people reading only I, that is equal to NI minus 6 plus 3 plus 5. 6 plus 3 plus 5. And what is NI? NI is 26 again. So 26 minus 14, that is 12. Therefore, number of people reading exactly one newspaper is equal to how much? 8 plus 10 plus 12. 8 plus 10 plus 12. That is equal to how much? 30. This is the answer of 2. This is the second part. So number of people those who are reading exactly one newspaper is 30, and others we have already found out. See this question. This is the last question of this exercise. Question tells, in a survey, it was found that 21 people like product A, 26 like product B, and 29 like product C. If 14 people like product A and B, 12 people like product C and A, 14 people like product B and C, and 8 liked all the 3 products, and how many like product C only. So this question is in textual form, so we will write in mathematical form, in the form of set and number of elements of the set. So you see, we will denote product A, set of people, number of people who like product A, so that is denoted by NA. Those who are liking product A, it is denoted by NA. In NA, how many are there? 21. Likewise, for NB, that is 26, this one, and 29 like product C, so NC, that is equal to 29. A means it is a set of people who like product A. So NA means number of people. Likewise, B represents the set of people who like product B. So NB means number of people, that is 26. Similarly for C. Now, if 14 people like product A and B, so I will write N A and B. How many are there? 14, right? A and B दोनों को like करने वाले means intersection, so that is 14. C and A, so N, C and A कितने हैं भाई? That is 12, right? And for B and C, that is 14. So N, B and C, that is equal to 14. और तीनों को like करने वाले कितने हैं? 8. So N A intersection B intersection C, that is equal to 3. हमने क्या किया? All the three, that is 8 liked. So it is 8. So let's verify once again. NA, that is 21 people like product A. This is right. Like product B is 26. Liking product C is 29. Liking products A and B is 14. That is here. 12 people like product C and A, that is 12. 14 people like B and C, and 8 people like all the three. So this is a mathematical presentation of this textual part. Okay? Find how many like product C only. So I will solve this by Venn diagram. See, suppose I have taken 3 products. And this is the set of people, right? So, ये है A, ये है B और C. ये product है ये. दो set of people liking the product A, product B, product C like करने वाले ये sets है. We will start from the smallest one. ये area क्या बताता है? This area tells the number of people liking all the 3 products. So कितने हैं all the 3? That is 8. Right? This area tells those who are liking A and B both. So means A intersection B. That is 14. So total from here to here is 14. 8 I have already taken. So here how many will be there? 6. Then total will be 14. And this area means those who are liking A and C both. A and C both, this is 12. Means this area 4 will be there, 8 plus 4, that is 12. Similarly for B and C, this area tells for B and C. So B and C, how many are there? 14. So again it will be 6. 8 plus 6, that is 14. भाई देखो ये तो मालूम हो गया, easily आ गया ये. Now what do we want? Like only C. Only C means this area. ध्यान दो, ये area क्या बताता है? This area tells that is number of people liking only product C. ये एरिया केवल C है. यहाँ पर B and C दोनों है, यहाँ पर A and C दोनों है, यहाँ पर केवल C. And how will we find this? Therefore, the number of people liking only products C is equal to, ये एरिया निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे, हम पूरा ले लेंगे, दैट इज एनसी ले लेंगे माइनस, पूरा हो गया एनसी, उसमें से दिस प्लस दिस माइनस कर देंगे तो ये एरिया आ जाएगा, दैट इज 4 + 8 + 6 कर देंगे हम, सो एनसी दैट इज 29 माइनस दैट इज 18, how much will it be, that is 11, that is the answer. So number of people who like only C is 11. This is the answer. This way we have completed this exercise. So children, we will meet again. Till then, all the best and study sincerely and devote yourself for studies, concentrate fully and try to do the best. जितना पढ़ोगे, जितना सॉल्व करोगे, उतना आगे जाओगे, उतना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. So take care of you.